Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plant. Welcome back to my channel. So I've got something really exciting here, my winter squad box. So this will be the last squad box that I'm getting for 2020. And I'm going to show you what's in here. I'm super excited. I've seen already some of the unboxings or what the other squad members have got, but we all get something a little bit different. So I want you guys to go ahead and check them out. So I'm going to go ahead and open this here. I'm actually going to put the box down on the ground because there isn't a ton of space on my desk to be able to show you guys what's in here. But ooh, okay, just take this off. Like, look at the amount of stuff that's in here. I'm so excited. I'm going to take you guys through everything that's in here. First up is this planner Zip Folio. So I think they're actually coming out with new storage deluxe cover. So I'm actually excited. I'm not going to open this yet, but I will do a proper flip through of some of the accessories here. Basically, you can see that there's pockets in here where you can store all of your stuff. And I wonder if I could just actually open this, but I think it's all attached. But it's basically a zipper, and I feel like it does fit your classic planner in here. And it's just, the feel of it is lovely. Love that. The next thing is this water bottle with the Happy Planner on the side there. So it's 16 ounces, 25 hours cold, 12 hours hot. Love that, by Corksicle. It's beautiful and great for hot and cold drinks. I mean, I love water bottles and I love anything you can keep coffee in. 16-ounce coffee, yes. Love that. What is this? Okay, it's like so big that it can't even fit in my screen, but it's an accessory and pen storage pack. So it's basically, gosh, what is in here? What's all in here? There's one sticker storage box, one pen storage, one accessory storage box, and 22 custom labels. That is awesome. So your basic, I love it. I'll do a separate video on this one, but you get that box, I believe, that box, and then the labels. Awesome! Fun! This is a planner storage cover, and I've already seen some of the other squad members get this, but I've actually seen Mandy show us how to use it. But it's basically a cover that goes over your classic planner, like over the open pages, so that you can actually see on the binding what year it is. It's actually a really great way to keep all of your planner stuff. Like, you have that really cool. Discs upon discs upon discs. Cute. So these two are princess discs. Got the medium glitter and then the medium pink. Cute. Love the little crown. And then this one is Minnie Mouse. How cute is that? Love it. And then just plain black discs with no heart or anything, and they're just plain black. That is very sleek and neutral. I love it. So I took so here's some more accessories. We've got the portable pouch. I love the wild styled leopard here. So it's pink on the inside. You've got room for a card and for pens, and then you can put it on top of your planner. I love it. Love that, because it would go well with just handle it like a little purse, but put it on top of your planner. Then, let me just put this side here. Vinyl stickers for Miss Maker. And then put them on the water bottle, stuff like that, or on coffee mugs. I love it. Ooh, plastic envelopes for Mickey Mouse. I think I have them. No, I didn't have these. Really cute. Gardening. I'm not a gardener per se, but I love the floral. So this is the gardening planner accessories pack, and in here you've got stickers, a folder, sticky notes, a bookmark, and pre-punched paper. I love that bookmark. That is beautiful. And of course I'm going to use the stickers and the sticky notes. Then, ooh, Mickey Mouse filler paper, that it's lined at the top and then dot grid down at the bottom. Oh, and then on the other side, you got today's highlights and lined paper. Really cute, or sorry, lines. Really cute. I love the way that the paper has its own format. Oh, I love the gold. It's a beautiful pen case. Like, it's hard to get that on camera, but that beautiful gold. And then you can clip this either in the front or on the, or inside your planner cover. So cute. Next, more princess paper. So you've got, it doesn't show, I think you've got Belle and Rapunzel and Tiana and Ariel on there. Yep. And then one side is blank with their pictures, and then the other side is grid. And next, ooh, the dry erase board. I like this. This was great for meal planning, for anybody who's, I think this would be great for like homeschooling as well, or any just activities that you have planned for the family for the week. Really like that. Then, daily hourly schedule. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. Daily hourly schedule. So you've got top priorities, all the things by the hour. And then on the back is a dot grid paper. How cool is that? Now, my only thing is I wish this were in a mini. I want this in a mini because you guys know I love anything mini. And here this is dashboard stickers. So a whole bunch of stickers, but it looks like what's in here. You've got a couple of dashboards, but then stickers for each one. Cute. Really great functional piece here. And then just pen holders. No, I don't want to say just pen holders, but I love the color of that one. My daughter would love the purple with the hearts. So those are some of the accessories. Ooh. Another accessory I found at the bottom here is this Week View Desk Calendar Sticky Notepad. Can I fit it in? Yeah, I can fit it in the whole camera. But how does that work exactly? So they're just sticky notes. Do you put it against something? So each day is a sticky note, or the whole, no, the whole week is a sticky note, but then you got sticky notes for don't forget. Oh, okay. Again, really good for things like meal planning or just seeing the whole family's week there. Really cute. I think this would be great for teachers as well. And I have a teacher friend that this might work really well for. Then we have the planners. So here we go. There's a princess vertical layout. And who's in this one? And this one is 12th month. Oh, it's undated. It's undated. So it's got, I think, Cinderella, Tiana. I just see Cinderella again. Cinderella, Tiana, and I think it's Snow White. Yeah, really cute. And because it's neutral, this, and it's undated, it's something that I could probably use for my social media next year. We'll see. Next, I'll show this one first. Ooh. Show these ones first because they're all part of Disney. 12-month dashboard layout, and it's undated. Again, I think these are Tiana, Snow White, and Cinderella. But it's a dashboard layout. You guys know I love the dashboard layout. But again, I'm a mini happy planner girl at heart, but I will do a flip through of each of these planners. Then, ooh, wellness guided happy journal. Really, ooh, really love that. Like, this is kind of the layout that you're going to see in there. Sorry about the glare. But you're going to see today was, mood tracker, physical exercises that helped me today, pep talk for myself, today's high moment. Again, I'll do another flip through of the planners themselves. Really beautiful. Ooh, and then lastly, I'm excited for this one. It says it's undated, but what is, it's a vertical. How beautiful is that inside? And then, yeah, it's an undated vertical. Really pretty. Like, really pretty. And then again, I will go through a flip through of that. I just want to look and see if it is quite neutral. It is, and it's undated as well. Lovely. So those are the planners that I got. And lastly, these stickers. Really excited. So Happy Blooms. I feel like it's slightly thinner, but all the florals. Give me all the florals. Again, I will do a separate flip through of the sticker books. Don't Stop Growing, Garden Flower. Oh my God. Ooh. Again, this is more for gardening, but how pretty. Garden Flowers. So this one I think is really more just the actual decor rather than, so there isn't too many functional things in here. It really is more about the decor. Caregiver. What else is in here? Biz Babe. Caregiver. I love the colors of these. I'm not a caregiver myself, but I love the rainbow. And I think you don't have to be a caregiver to use these. I just love the color palette of them. Yeah, no, I don't think you don't need to be a caregiver in order to use these. You can certainly use them, you know, if you're the caregiver in the family, in the household. This is like if you're the mom, this would be really good for you. Oh, Biz Babe. We all wanted this one. Everyone in the squad basically wanted this one because the colors are just awesome. And look at those colors. Again, I'll do a more detailed flip through of these, but love it. I cannot wait to use these in my work planner. So excited. And then handwritten colored boxes. Ooh. And they've got more. They've got foils. And then the only thing I have to say is I don't necessarily like having a whole bunch of text in my boxes, but those can easily be whited out. But I love anything with boxes and circles. Are there hexagons? I don't think there's hexagons in this one. But I love all the different colors. Love them. Then two more princess books and one more Mickey Mouse sticker book. So the princess one, oh, so it is more functional, and I believe it has all of them in here. Gorgeous. Again, I'll do a proper flip through of that. And then this one I think is mostly decor. My daughter's gonna love these. Yeah, this one is mostly decor. Already I know that those are for my daughter. And then Mickey Mouse. Oh, I love the Minnie Mouse ones in here. Love the Minnie Mouse ones in here. These are huge, cute, adorable. Adorable. All right, so those are the sticker books. And that is it for me. That's everything in my box. I can't even fit it in the screen. Hold on, let's see if I can zoom out a little. No, that's zooming in. Like it's not even fitting all in the screen. I am, so thankful to the Happy Planner for sending me this stuff. It's like an early Christmas present coming before December 1st. So happy. So what I'm going to do, guys, is I'm going to include links to those that are available on the Happy Planner site. I'm going to include them in the description below so that you guys can have a chance to snag some of this stuff. I'm so grateful for it all. So I'm going to do individual flip throughs of the stickers, a different video for just the planners, and then a different video just for the accessories. All right, again, that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.